Welcome to our product selection videos, where we help you find the right tool for the job. This video covers our selection of hand brushes. Vikan's broad hand brush range spans different types of hand brushes for various cleaning needs, depending on size, shape, and bristle stiffness. Vikan's broad range of food contact compliant hand brushes come in various shapes and sizes and bristle stiffnesses for various cleaning needs. This is the Vikan Round Hand Scrub. It is a sturdy and effective scrub that's great for cleaning conveyor belts, food containers, and more, and the angled bristles allow for efficient all-around cleaning. It has an ergonomic design that lets you apply more direct pressure to the brush during use. Next, we have the Vikan hand brushes in different sizes. The small hand brush with hard bristles and the medium hand brush with medium stiff bristles are both suitable for cleaning food preparation surfaces, chopping boards, and food containers. The large hand brush with hard bristles is a multi-purpose tool that effectively cleans tables, conveyor belts, chopping boards, buckets, large bowls, and equipment with hard-to-reach corners and crevices. The extra large hand brush has very hard angled bristles, which effectively scrub and clean tables, conveyor belts, chopping boards, buckets, large bowls, and equipment with hard-to-reach corners. Another option is the Vikan UST hand brush, for when you need the best in hygienic design, efficiency, and durability. This ultra-safe technology hand brush comes with angled bristle security units for optimal cleaning of conveyor belts, production lines, machinery, and food preparation surfaces in high-risk areas. The ergonomically designed brush block prevents it from slipping out of hands and reduces wrist strain. The design and position of the bristle security units offer effective surface contact and enables the user to apply hard pressure directly to the surface being cleaned. The angled bristles effectively cleaning corners, junctions, and other hard-to-reach areas. Next, let's have a look at scrubbing brushes with handles. Vikan offers both short and long handles with different bristle types to meet your needs. This is the Vikan Utility Brush. It has medium bristles and is designed to raise the user's hand from the cleaning surface, reducing the risk of injury. It's ideal for cleaning small surface areas such as tables, pans, and cutting boards. The Vikan Narrow Cleaning Brush is also suitable for cleaning in small spaces. It is narrow-headed with angled bristles to facilitate easy cleaning of corners. Scrubbing hand brushes with handles are also available in a UST version, with the same benefits and bristle technology as the UST hand brush we looked at before. This comes in 2 handle lengths to optimize your cleaning reach. Finally, there are the washing brushes. This type comes in 3 different versions. First, we have the short handle version. This is available with soft bristles, suitable for cleaning delicate surfaces, such as glass and perspex, or for basting or coating food items, and with hard bristles, ideal for removing stubborn or dried-on debris from conveyor belts, production lines, machinery, and food preparation surfaces. Last of all is the long-handled washing brush with hard bristles. The long handle makes it ideal for cleaning hard-to-reach surfaces on machines and equipment, such as deep buckets, containers, and tubs. Thanks for watching our overview of Vikan hand brushes. And as always, if you have additional product questions, please visit our website vikan.com or contact our customer service team.